In this video I will show you how to fix your Sharp Roku TV remote if it suddenly stopped working. These tips work on most remotes, not just the one I'm holding, even Roku remotes. Alright, let us start with the first fix. Take off the battery cover and remove both batteries from the remote. Now find the power button on the remote. It is usually on the top left or right. Hold it down for 20 seconds. Next, press down on every button on the remote, one by one, firmly. Why? Because sometimes a stuck button or a bit of dirt can block the whole remote from working. Once you are done pressing all the buttons, put the batteries back in and test the remote. Still not working? Do not worry. Try this second trick. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Some Sharp TVs have a power button on the front or back. If you find it, press and hold it for 30 seconds. If you do not see a button, skip that and just wait 1 full minute before plugging the TV back in. Now plug it back in, turn it on, and test the remote again. If nothing works so far, try this. Replace the batteries with brand new ones. Or you can get a replacement remote. They are cheaper than most people think. Check the links in the description for good options. And if you have a Roku TV, you can also use the Roku mobile app as a remote. It works great while waiting for a new one. If your TV is not Roku, just search TV Remote in your app store. There are plenty of free remote apps that work with Sharp TVs. Hope this helped. If it did, give it a like or drop a comment. Thanks for watching.